My phone did, that's why I ain't call you now. My fucking phone did, and I ain't know your number by heart. Knocked him off?
Yeah.
How far Thule beat him?
About 4 or 5 seconds.
Couldn't see it, man. They came by so fucking fast. Pick up. Picked him up, didn't he?
Yeah.
Hey, must have that big block pile, man.
That bitch running, ain't she?
Oh, you see that shit?
Y'all boys got them big 32s.
Hang on, this Hotbody faster than mine. It's lighter.
Yeah. But he got her geared though, I'm telling you. All you do change gears, man. He got her geared.
You got it right.
She probably do about 65. Hey, these crazy. See look rich. See all that smoke? He not even lean.
Coming this time.
What you want with that?
That's my spare for that other car I was gonna sell you.
Big block too, boy.
Yeah, that's a 26.